Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to pay a Zolve credit card bill. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So clearing your Zolve credit card bill is a simple process that offers two convenient payment methods. So one of those is paying through the Zolve checking account. Now, first thing you need to do is launch the Zolve app and navigate to the My Card option. Choose Zolve credit card, input the desired payment amount, click on Pay Now to initiate the payment. Now, if the bill is not yet generated, select Pay Early and be aware that the paid amount will be settled within a couple of hours. Now, if you're paying through the external account, open the Zolve app and access the My Card option. Select your Zolve credit card, tap the link to connect another bank and continue. Pick your preferred bank from the options provided, input your bank credentials and click on Verify. Your bank account is successfully added and active with Zolve. Now choose your account from the drop-down menu and enter your Zolve PIN to enter or complete the transaction. Now, in this straightforward process ensures flexibility, allowing you to seamlessly manage your Zolve credit card payments through either your Zolve checking account or an external bank account. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.